If Oprah Winfrey and Whoopi Goldberg had a baby, it would probably be the fact we're about to discuss. Intrigued? You should be. Picture this. A fact so fascinating, so extraordinary, it could only be compared to the hypothetical offspring of two of the most influential women in television history. A fact that is all about women, their strength, their resilience, their incredible abilities. But we're not going to spill the beans just yet. Oh no, we're taking you on a roller coaster of suspense, humor, and enlightenment. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a little-known fact about women that will make you see the world and the women in it in a whole new light. So, are you ready to laugh, to learn, and to be utterly amazed? Excellent! Now buckle up and get ready for a journey into the fascinating world of women. Alright people, time to tell it like it is. Today, we're diving into some true fascinating facts about women that's sure to blow your socks off. So brace yourself and get ready for this wild and outright into the world of the female sex. Here's the deal. Women have a sharper sense of smell than men. Yes, you heard that right. Ladies, ever wondered why you can sniff out that hidden stash of chocolate or detect a whiff of perfume from a mile away? It's not some superpower you've developed over the years, it's science. This intriguing fact comes down to one simple thing: biology. Women on average have more cells in their olfactory bulb, the part of the brain responsible for smell, than men. This gives them a heightened sense of smell, which explains why the ladies are often better at identifying different scents. Let's paint a picture here. Imagine you're in a garden, surrounded by a plethora of fragrant flowers. While both men and women can appreciate the beautiful scents, women are typically able to distinguish between the individual smells. They can tell the roses from the lilies, the daisies from the daffodils, all with just a simple sniff. Impressive, right? But it doesn't stop at flowers. This heightened sense of smell plays a crucial role in other aspects of life too. Ever noticed how moms can often detect a dirty diaper from across the room, while dads remain blissfully unaware? Or how some women can identify the ingredients in a dish just by its aroma? That's the power of the female nose. This fact isn't just interesting. It also highlights the incredible complexity and versatility of the human body, particularly the female body. Women's heightened sense of smell is a testament to their unique abilities and strengths, reminding us that there's always more to learn and appreciate about the fairer sex. And there you have it, the first piece of our puzzle. But hold on, there's more. Now that we've unveiled our fact, let's dive a bit deeper, shall we? Every fact has layers, much like an onion or a good mystery novel. There are details, nuances, and implications that make the fact all the more fascinating. So buckle up as we delve into the nitty-gritty of our fact, peeling back those layers to reveal a fuller picture. Just imagine if this fact was a person. It would be that friend who never fails to surprise you at a party, always coming up with a new trick, a fresh story, or an unexpected talent. You think you know them, but there's always something more to discover. Now let's take a closer look. You might be thinking, wait, there's more to it? And the answer is a resounding yes. There's always more to explore, more to understand, and more to appreciate. Like a kaleidoscope, the more you look, the more patterns and colors you see. Consider this. Our fact, while seemingly straightforward, is a bit like a Russian nesting doll. Just when you think you've reached the core, there's another layer waiting to be discovered. Each layer adds depth, enriching our understanding and adding to the intrigue. And while we're exploring, remember that facts are not isolated. They exist in a context, intertwined with other facts, ideas, and realities. They're like the threads in a tapestry, woven together to create a larger picture. We've only just begun to scratch the surface, and there's a whole world beneath, waiting to be discovered. The more we learn, the more we understand, and the more fascinating the fact becomes. And just like a good book, once you start, it's hard to put it down. So, as we continue on this journey of discovery, remember to keep an open mind. The beauty of facts is that they are not static. They evolve, grow, and reveal themselves in surprising ways. And who knows? You might just find that the more you learn, the more there is to love. Just when you thought it couldn't get any more interesting, we're about to step it up a notch. Ever wondered how this fact affects women and society at large? Let's find out. So, you know how we love those aha moments? Well, this fact is one of those moments, but it's not just a fleeting thought. It's a game changer, a conversation starter, a paradigm shifter. It's like finding out that your favorite late-night snack is actually good for your health. Except this fact is about women, and it's making waves in society. This fact, my friends, is not just an interesting piece of trivia. It's a powerful tool that is shaping the world as we know it. It's like a ripple in a pond that grows into a wave, touching every shore. It's changing the way we perceive women, the way we interact with them, and the way we value their contributions. But wait, there's more. It's not just about societal changes. Oh no, this fact is also empowering women on a personal level. It's like a mirror that reflects the strength, resilience, and potential within every woman. It's a reminder that every woman is a force to be reckoned with, a powerhouse of skills, talents, and capabilities. Who knew a mere fact could do all that, right? And it doesn't stop there. This fact is also influencing policies and practices, ensuring that women's rights and interests are protected and promoted. It's like a compass guiding us towards a more equitable and inclusive future. It's a catalyst for change, a beacon of hope, a rallying cry for gender equality. So next time you come across this fact, remember, it's not just a random piece of information. It's a testament to the power and potential of women. It's a celebration of their achievements and contributions. It's a tribute to their strength and resilience. It's a call to action, a challenge to each one of us to do our part in creating a better, more equitable world for everyone. Now that's some food for thought, isn't it? Well, folks, we've come to the end of our journey, but before we say goodbye, let's have a little fun, shall we? Picture this. We've been talking about a woman's superpower of multitasking, right? Now imagine, she's a juggler at a world-famous circus, juggling a dozen flaming torches, a couple of swords, and maybe a chainsaw or two, all while balancing on a giant sparkly disco ball. Sounds crazy, right? But that's just a Tuesday for women around the world. Oh, and remember the part where we said that women have a better memory than men? Let's just say, you might want to think twice before you challenge a woman to a game of Trivial Pursuit. She'll dredge up facts from the Mesozoic era, while you're still remembering where you left your car keys. And there you have it, folks, a fact about women that's as interesting and multifaceted as women themselves. Until next time, keep learning, keep laughing, and keep celebrating the amazing world of women.